As the ladies get ready for winter, that is kind of the frames you want to see right now, because these are starting the winter bee rotation. Goldenrod's been blooming for well over a month. Aster has not started, so there is no stink in the hives. Guy's over here cutting my hayfield. But that's what you want to see, because one frame of capped brood like that on both sides equals, they say, between 2.5 to 3 frames of bees on brood. And there's about 6 frames like that so far in this colony. I haven't even went down to the bottom box. I'd probably say it's loaded up with pollen, because I think that's where it was a month ago when I was in this box. But that's what you want to see when you're opening up your colonies and getting them ready for winter. You want to see a good brood pattern, a healthy set of bees, plenty of stores. And these girls are going to go into winter with a big brood cluster. Thanks for watching Willie Bees.